Welcome. Let's look at the question 8. Find the remainder when the function f of x equals to 2x exponent 3 minus 4x squared plus x minus 7 is divided by this factor. Now, if you check the episode we did on polynomials, we can see under remainder theorem or a factor theorem, if this linear function is a factor of this, it means that if we find the zeros of this linear function, when we slot it into the position of x, the result will be what? 0. So the moment this is not a factor of the polynomial, then it means that when we use it to divide, it will give us a remainder. So if this divides, there will be a remainder. Do we get it? So no need going a long way. We just need to find the zeros of this and substitute and see whatever value we get. That is the answer. If it is 0, it means this is a factor. Then there is no remainder. So let's just say we find the zeros as x plus 1 equals to 0. That means as we'll be having x equals to negative 1. So if the function of x is changed with the negative 1, changing the x with negative 1, then this will become 2 change the x to negative 1 the power 3, 4 change the x to negative 1 power 2, change the x to negative 1 minus what? 7. So what do? I am having, if you have odd number exponent, this is negative, so your result will still be negative. So negative 1 times this, negative 2, this is going to be positive, times 4 will still remain 4. This is going to have a negative effect, so negative 1, then negative what? 7. All these are negative. So it's like we are adding negative 2 to negative 4 to negative 1 to negative 7. So 6, 7 will give us negative what? 14. Remember, the function was f of x equals to 2x to the power 3, 4x minus x minus 7. This is square and plus is here. Alright, so this is the answer. If we are to choose the options, we are going to choose option A. I guess this is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back to question 9.